Make una come here wetin happen at the election petition tribunal. Make una see how APC want to turn the constitution, both the 25%, they say na 16% wey Tinubu require. E dey shock me. Today, 1st of August, was slated for the adoption of final written addresses of all the parties. So let's hear wetin happen wey still dey put me in shock. INEC admitted there was a glitch that affected the transmission and upload of presidential results, but claimed that the glitch was technical, not human. Yet, they asked the court to overlook it. They admitted that Tinubu did not score the 25% of votes in FCT, yet asked the court to overlook it, as FCT to them is a state. Tinubu, Shettima and APC stated that the High Court has decided that electronic transmission is not mandatory, that fine handed against a person in the past does not count in the present, and that the fine paid by Tinubu does not come under the fine described in the Constitution because it did not come from criminal trial. They argued that the glitch was not widespread enough to warrant a nullification of the results. Surprisingly, they argued that Tinubu needs only 16% of votes in FCT to be declared winner, not 25% of votes, and that the Tinubu does not need 25% of FCT to win. I wan ask something. Na APC na im make this law, abi na the whole Nigerians na im make this law? Because this law wey dey bend like this, what if another party come another person, they go still bend am for the person instead of these people to just give the right judgment? They are bending. Next time come, oh my God, this is so sad. Okay, let me continue. They argue that if there's going to be any rerun, it should be Tinubu and Atiku, not Obi. That should go for a run. All the respondents asked that the petition be dismissed. The petitioners refers to the admission of the respondent's witness, RW1, that electronic transmission and upload of polling unit result is mandatory in paragraph 22 of the witness statement on oath. They reminded the court that the Supreme Court has ruled that electronic transmission of the collation system and upload onto the IRF portal are part of the electronic process. That INEC issued the petitioners the CTC of 18,088 blood polling units result, which are the exact replica of the original, and which, if they remove from the election results, will nullify the election. They submitted that Tinubu forfeited $460,000 as fine for narcotic trafficking and money laundering. And this clearly comes under section 137(1)(d) of the Constitution. For them, 25% in FCT is compulsory before any candidate should be declared the winner. In the case of rerun, it's Peter Gregory Obi that the Constitution permits to go for rerun. They urge the court to grant all the relief sought by the petitioners. My person not tired for this country. Law just dey bend anyhow. Hey, please, let's listen to P2B's lawyers use their mouths to explain in their. This one I read now was from Kenneth Okonkwo. Let's hear from these people. Say what happened.
Labour Party couldn't have been silent on that because Labour Party is the only party that won 25% and above in Abuja. So there's no way we could have been silent on that. The only party that won 25% and above. Others came distant second and distant third. Yes. On the issue of rerun. I do not want to predict the court because we presented a lot of issues. I thought that some of you should be very much worried that the election conducted by INEC, we presented 18,088 blood results from the IRF. Then INEC now gave us CTC of results. From there, we harvested 8,123 blood results. Some were completely blank. Some others were pictures of human beings. Some others, buildings. Some others, you have results that are not polling units, like ward results, local government collection results, and so on and so forth. That is something that should worry every Nigerian.
They relied on it
They relied
to
on
pronounce
it.
somebody.
They relied on it to declare somebody the winner of an election. How can an institution, public institution like INEC, certified blank documents and say that it certified polling unit results, certified photographs and said it certified polling unit results? I mean, they should stop taking Nigerians and Nigeria for granted. It's very unfortunate that this type of thing should be happening in 21st century. Other countries have moved on. We are still running round and round and round and round. Round and round, trying to organize election. Yet, we are behaving as if we are still in a primitive age. And that's what it is. That's what it is. Huh?
That is a constitutional issue.
No, that is a constitutional issue. That's a constitutional issue. So we addressed it sufficiently. So it's for the court. Yeah, there are so many grounds we presented. So it's for the courts to decide. So, but what is important is that we sufficiently presented our case in a most convincing manner. Thank you.